is Ashok Patel. I'm just working as a plant in charge. Yeah. And we are just producing a salt for human consumption. And we are making four types of packets. 50 kilo, 25 kilo, 500 grams and 200 grams. And we have salt for industrial purpose also. And this machinery.
You are asking me the raw material, mostly we are getting it from India right now because it is locally it is not available and we are not able to get it from Kenya because even what they have it is not sufficient for themselves. And like we are a big challenge we have is the duty because what we are getting from India raw material we have to pay a duty of 25%, which we spoke to the government and they have helped us and they have brought it to 10%, the import duty. But now again we want to tell the government to help us to bring it to 0% on the raw material so that we provide affordable salt to our fellow Ugandans. Good quality, affordable salt.
We are still trying for market. Market is there.
Effect of COVID.
The effect of COVID here also is there. But market is there. And all over each and every corner in Uganda, it is there now, Kampala salt. If you go Arua, this side of Yumbe, Lira, Gulu, Kampala salt is there.
You said you're producing 600
metric tons
That is around 18,000 tons per month.
day.
Per month.
Per month. That
Do
is
you
capacity.
attribute this to the technology you're having here, or is it your anticipation?
Just this technology we just bought from India, all machineries.
So is that your target as per now?
Yeah.
That is the capacity of the plant. 80,000
80,000 per metric ton per month.